episode 28.5, week 23 costs. As usual, the description is in the notes below, and we'll move straight on to Monday the 1st of June. On Monday the 1st of June we had a cost of 6p for 0.55 kilowatt hours and an average cost of 10.73 pence per kilowatt hour. On Tuesday the 2nd of June we had a cost of 4 pence for 0.36 kilowatt hours with an average cost of 10.31 pence per kilowatt hour. On Wednesday the 3rd of June we had a cost of 20 pence for 3.78 kilowatt hours, which was and we had an average cost of 5.29 pence per kilowatt hour. On Thursday the 4th of June we had a total cost of 73 pence for 16.92 kilowatt hours, and we had an average cost of 4.29 pence per kilowatt hour. On Friday the 5th of June we had a cost of 36 pence for 16.71 kilowatt hours with an average cost of 2.18 pence per kilowatt hour. On Saturday the 6th of June we had a cost of minus 42 pence, so that was a plunge price day, and we used 25.51 kilowatt hours, which gave us an average cost of minus 1.58 pence per kilowatt hour. And finally, that Sunday the 7th of June we had a cost of 40 pence, and that was for 15.57 kilowatt hours with an average cost of 2.55 pence per kilowatt hour. So we had a total cost for the week of £1.37 for the electricity, and when you include the VAT and the daily charge it came to £2.90, and now we have a total electricity bill since the start of the 2020 logs of £348.66. The average cost per kilowatt hour for the week was 3.6 pence, and that's what we drew from the grid. If you include what we generated from the solar, it brought the average cost per kilowatt hour down to 1.5 pence, and the averages from the start of 2020 are now 5.4 pence per kilowatt hour for what we've drawn from the grid, and when you include the solar, the average cost per kilowatt hour we've paid for electricity is 3.4 pence per kilowatt hour. And to summarise it all up, since the start of the 2020 logs up until week 23, we've now done 2,272 miles. We've imported 5,714 kilowatt hours. We've had 1,854 kilowatt hours from the solar, so we've had a total electricity usage of 7,568 kilowatt hours, which has been a total cost of £348.66. The gas has cost us £32.22. That's just the gas hob it's just the hob that we use the gas for. So we've had a total energy cost up until week 23 of 2020 of £380.88. We've had two fit payments of £884.19, so that gives us a balance for the utility bill since the start of 2020 of minus £503.31, including all VAT and daily charges. As usual, thanks for watching, and if you've got any comments or questions, please add it to the section below and I'll try and answer all the questions.